In this episode of the 2-minute drill, I will be talking about the key component in delivering a deep-rooted change in an organization, focusing on leadership. Stay tuned. Implementing a continuous improvement system obviously requires a 100% committed management team. So after you have a clear direction, you have your deployment done, your organization is aligned, now it's important to ensure that the management is 100% commitment. 1% lack of commitment in a management team means 50% lack of commitment on the shop floor. That is important to remember. There are pockets on the shop floor, pockets in the company who are now not committed to run or do anything with inside the improvement system. And why is that? Well, the managers don't show commitment. Why should I? And here's the thing that a lot of managers misunderstand. If you come in the beginning of a meeting and you tell everybody how important it is and then you leave, that is not necessarily considered commitment. It's not a bad thing to do that, but you know what's much more powerful is action. Stay in the meetings, participate, walk the shop floor, ask questions, and stay tuned for more episodes on that part. I'm going to tell you more about how to develop questions. But if you don't show action, it doesn't matter how much you talk. It really doesn't. And maybe that's unfair, but it comes with the territory, I'm afraid. So show actions. Think about this. When you come to work every day as a leader, you can either be a driver that make things happen. You can be a person who builds the road, the track, the path forward. You can also be a rock that blocks the track, that blocks everybody else from running. And you can be a block by not doing anything. Think about that. So you need to show actions to be 100% committed. Please like and share this. And more importantly, send me an email, we can talk more. Stay tuned for more episodes. Thanks for listening.